No, but it also shows to the people, Swapan, how facile this old versus young argument is. He goes out and says this in Kerala, forgetting his own alliance partner in
It's not only
Tamil Nadu.
facile. Last week, all the television channels celebrated the whole mass of middle class India genuflecting before a 71-year-old, which demolished the entire myth of young India.
Since I was 70 day before yesterday, and I'm delighted the country is genuflecting before us septuagenarians.
Well, you know, Rahul Gandhi also said Marxism is an idea whose time is gone. I don't know whether he was talking about the CPM or whether he was talking about a particular Manishankar.
If you look at this issue of old versus young, it's not that even in the 2009 elections Congress did very well compared to 2004, but still, if we look at our opinion polls, etc., we analyze that it's not that Congress got huge proportions of young voters compared to any other party. There was no change
absolutely, because in Tamil Nadu we could see Vijaykanth pulling a lot of the young people vote, Mr. Anand, but that hasn't happened in Kerala. So this young versus old is good for the hustings, it makes for good copy, but doesn't really resonate on the ground.
No, the Kerala society is a lot more into party political organization. I mean, let's not forget, I think the Congress as well as the CPM, in fact, the organization structure in Kerala is as good as each other. In fact, you know, they have their committee officers lower down to every village or to sort of, you know, every locality and things like that. And in a society where sort of, you know, politics is so organized down from top to the bottom, I think, you know, this old versus young argument is certainly not going to work. And in any case, I think the people of Kerala will be voting, let's say, deciding between Achyutanandan and Oommen Chandy. Neither of them have actually dark hairs. Both of them have lots of grey
You
hairs.
say Oommen Chandy with a lot of confidence, but Mr. Iyer, does the Congress know who the chief ministerial candidate is?
Congress never knows before the election is over as to who it will be.
No, there's
but
one
I think
person in the
Mr. Oommen
Congress knows,
Chandy does stand a very good
Mr.
chance.
Anand, yes.
Rahul, the Congress knows, except that, you know, in that particular context, the Congress is defined by the High Command. The High Command decides who the Chief Minister should be. And I think Oommen Chandy is the Chief Minister now.
Alright, you're saying it's time to anoint Oommen Chandy once again as the next Chief Minister of Kerala. This has been a very fascinating and engaging discussion. I want to thank all my guests for joining us this evening. They'll be with us all through the day as we track the indicators coming from the ground in Kerala and in Tamil Nadu. But for the moment, Krishna Anand from Chennai, Jyotirmoy Sharma, Swapan Das Gupta, Professor Sanjay Kumar. Let's see if the predictions come true. We'll hold you to it. Pranjoy Guha Thakurta and Manishankar Iyer. So much fun having all of you on the show.